Hi, welcome to ZTS Technology Solutions. I'm Nagman. I'm full stack developer. Today we will learn about Java variables. Firstly, we will see what is Java. Java is general purpose language. It is class-based and object-oriented and used for mobile applications, desktop, web, games, and database applications, and much more. Why Java? Java works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, and it is open source and free. One can easily edit and inspect the code of Java and reutilize and update it for their own self. It is secure, fast, and powerful, object-oriented language. The good thing is about Java is close to C++ and C Sharp. It makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. Now, we see an example. Here you see zts.java. ZTS is basically a file name. .java is an extension of Java. It is a file extension. We will write our code within the class. Public class ZTS. We define our class with the name of ZTS. You have to remember that the file name and the class name will be exactly be the same. We will write our code within opening and ending curly braces of the class. Public static void main is the default method of the class. We have to define main method in each class. It will be the default method for each class when we write a code inside Java. Now we write hello world. We intend to print the hello world on the screen. So we have to write system.out.println hello world in double quotes, and we will end each and every statement with semicolon. Now we'll save our program. We can save it on desktop. ZES becomes a file name. Then we will select extension for Java. Now, now we see that our program should run. All right. Now you can see result has been displayed here. Hi, welcome to ZTS Technology Solutions. The public is a keyword, and that means you can access your class from outside in other class or object. Class is a reserved word which is used to define a class with followed by file name, and then accordingly this is a public static void main. It will be a default method for our class. System is a class. The S will be capital for this class, and dot out dot println, whereas println is a method, built-in method of Java, which will print out or display our statement within double quotes. When we will write our statement in Java, we will close it by semicolon. Each each instruction will be ended by semicolon. Okay. Sorry, these are the data types. We divide data types into two groups. One is primitive data type and the other is non-primitive data type. Primitive data type includes byte, short, int, long, float, double boolean, and character, whereas non-primitive data types are string, arrays, and classes. We will discuss each and every data type as we move forward. Now we see variables. What is variable and what are the primary data types of variable normally used in Java? Variables are containers for storing data values. In Java, there are different types of variables like string, integer, float, character. So string stores normally text for our variable, such as in previous program you saw. Hi, welcome to the ZTS Technology Solution. We printed out such as how are you mentioned in this in double quotes. Integer stores whole numbers without any decimal or floating point, and float stores point numbers with decimals. Character stores single character value and surrounded by a single quote. Boolean stores with two states. Either it will be a true or false. Okay, these are the general rules for constructing names for variable. Names can contain letter, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Name must begin with a letter. Names should start with a lowercase letter and it cannot contain any white space. Names can also begin with dollar or underscore, but will not use in this tutorial. Names are case sensitive. As it is mentioned, two variables with the same name but with a change case. V is capital in one variable, whereas in other variable, V is in smaller case. So both will be considered as different variables. Reserved words like Java keywords such as int, boolean, public, or any keyword cannot be used as variable name. Now you can see this example. We have defined some variable with the data type int, float, character, boolean, and string. Let's see in a program. Okay, we write this program. Okay, run this program. Here is the result. 15 5.99D true hello. If we change any number like my num, we change it to a float number or decimal number, So see what happens. I change it to 15.4. Now run this program. Okay, it will generate error. Type mismatch error. Because we are converting from double into integer. We are converting floating point into integer into another data type, which is not possible. In Java, there is a procedure to convert one data type value into another data type. It is called typecasting.